Oh, she ready. She ready to rip. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lars, aka Moto Bro, and as you see in this beautiful box right here, we got the Himiway A7 Pro. It's an electric bike. I can't wait to freaking try to pull some wheel skis on this. So let's get into the unboxing, and then we're gonna hop on the bike and go for a little shred. Let's get it. Alright, let's get into this beautiful box. Pop those off. Alright, it's time to see what this Himiway looks like. JK, it's not time yet. Screw the box, bro. I was gonna do it nicely, but then again, what's the point when you can just do that? Holy crap, they freaking... I don't know if you guys can tell, but the way they package this bike up is just amazing. Like, the quality in it is just superb. I've never experienced a bike package this well, like ever. Boom. Oh, she ready. She ready to rip. Alright, time to take off the foam and reveal this beautiful thing. Oh my gosh. She looks amazing. Yeah, I'm actually very impressed. Very impressed. Just from first look, it looks amazing. It looks great. Looking beautiful, packaged perfectly. I think I opened it the wrong way. I probably should have opened it on this side. Yeah, the bike sort of fits in there perfect. Definitely might have opened the package the wrong way, but as you can see, it still works out. So let's put this bike together. Luckily I caught that, bro. Or that bike would have been on the ground. So at this point, the bike's pretty much built. Like, we'll put the bars on and the front wheel, and she's ready to go shred. Like, it almost came pre-built. So let's put these bars on real quick, and then we'll be on her in no time. Oh yeah. The bars are pretty much on. She is looking fire. And brother, just like that, and maybe less than an hour, the bike is completely built, ready to go. I'm gonna check the battery, see if the battery's all charged up, and if not, we're ready to flip and rip. All right, so I just pulled the bike outside, and as you can see, the color is popping. Holy crap. This thing is looking beautiful. And what's cool about the Himiway, it actually has a shock, a rear shock on the inside, and you can also lock it. I don't know if you can see it, it's a little shady. You can actually lock the rear wheel, so when you park it, you can lock it and you don't have to worry about your bike getting stolen. All right, gang, we got the helmet on. We got the beautiful Himiway A7 Pro. Let's start her up and go for a little cruise and show you guys some specs about this thing. So we'll turn the power on. It's dope because it has a built-in screen in the stem, which actually looks pretty good during the daytime. All right, let's head out. So gang, what's cool about this bike, it has a throttle. So of course it has the pedal assist, the mid motor, but it has a throttle, and that thing got a little bit of torque. And as you can see, we ain't pedaling right now, bro, and we are launching, bro. 20 miles per hour on the throttle, chilling, bro. Bro, this thing's pretty much a freaking dirt bike, bro. Let's get a little off-road sesh. It got shocks on the front and in the rear. Oh my god, bro. This thing is a little dirt bike, bro. We are ripping. And this is just throttle. Let's do pedal assist. So this is pedal assist right here. Off, bro, this thing handles the off-road way better than I expected. Because it has like commuter tires on it. But wow, this is amazing. And the pedal assist working really nice in the off-road. But bro, the bike feels really comfortable. Like that rear shock really does a lot. Let's hop in this freaking school real quick. Let's go. We are mobbing. You already know we outside. Let's do a little swerve test. Oh, money. Yeah, that's actually pretty fun. The flippin' Himiway A7, bro. So far, I think this is an amazing commuter bike. No, it doesn't do wheel skis, but like, yeah, I don't think I'll be able to get this thing up in a wheel ski. But like, just getting you from A to B, like let's say you got to go to work or school, this thing flipping rips. You go 20 miles per hour with the throttle. You don't even got to use the pedals. And then if you want to use the pedals to get some exercise, you use it and you can get pedal assist. It just has a lot of really cool features, like the carrier, the lock on the back, the freaking seat that you can just boop and then bring it back down. And of course, this rear shock, bro. Like this makes a big difference, bro. Like having this on your bike is definitely a game changer. It just makes hitting little bumps and stuff way more comfortable. Like it's not rock solid in the back. You have a little bit of give to give you going. And of course, we got the battery right here. I didn't even really tell you guys, but the battery is right here. You got a plug right here, or you come to this side and you have a little key which can actually pop the whole battery out. But what I really like about the bike is there's no key to start it. Like you literally just hit the power button and it's ready to go. Hop on the road, pedal assist freaking 5, because we need that. We're about to catch some speed. So 11 miles per hour right now. I'm in the highest gear too. But as you can see, it picks up to 20 really easy. And now we're at 20. Just cruising with traffic. Just cruising with traffic, bro. Bro, this yellow, bro, that's the color. I ain't gonna lie, that's the color for this bike. Yo, so one thing I've noticed is with the throttle, you really gotta keep your pedals still, because if you start pedaling, it turns off the throttle, and it sort of just eventually goes to pedal assist again, and then like I have the throttle down, and boom, now it kicks in. Which ain't a big deal. It ain't a big deal. It's just you definitely gotta get used to it, because like I'm used to giving like a throttle and sort of pedaling with it just because I'm on a bike, but you can do it. As you can see, like now I'm on pedal assist right now. Pedal assist chilling out, 19 miles per hour, and it's sick, bro. And then we'll go back to throttle. But look at these freaking army cars. Sheesh. But yo, as you can see, this bike is a perfect commuter, bro. And like the build quality is, I give it a good 8.2 out of 10. So let's get into the nitty gritty, the pros and cons of the bike. The pros, it got double suspension, front and rear. It's got a mid-drive 500 watt motor, 48 amp battery. I'm pretty sure it's 48 amp. The flipping build quality on the bike is great. Like, bro, it just feels dialed. It feels dialed in, like nothing's gonna fall off. So a little jump with this thing, why not? Bro, that suspension just handles it like nothing, bro. It's sort of crazy. But yeah, it's got a lot of pros, and I'm trying to think of a con. I guess the only con would be is like that when you're giving it throttle, you can't pedal. I wish you could pedal and give it throttle, but with the mid motor, for some reason that doesn't work. But the good thing about this mid motor, it has like a torque sensor, so depending how hard you're pedaling is how much pedal assist it gives you. So if you're giving it barely any pedal, like look, I'm going 12 miles per hour. If I start wanting to go, I give her some freaking torque, it pops up right to 20 and I'm chilling. Look, like no energy on my legs. So good. Ooh. All right, we made it back to the crib, but I really wanted to point out just the build quality. Like it got Shimano brakes, like hydraulic brakes on here, which is just everything about it. Even like the pedals, they feel like they're sealed, like they're not making like noises like wobbling around. Like it has sealed bearings, I'm pretty sure. I mean, the bike, it looks sick, bro. Like it looks so sick. So gang, there's one last thing I forgot to mention. It actually has a brake light too. As you can see, when I hit the brakes, the brake light turns on. So that is really cool. But if you guys are looking to get yourself one of these Himiway electric bikes or a different version, because they have tons of different versions, I have a link in the description down below. I'll also put it on the video right now. So definitely check it out. I also have like a code, probably MotoBro, to get a discount off your own Himiway. And like, this is perfect for your family, for your commuter bike, or just for your mom and dad. Like, I'm literally probably gonna give this one to my dad because he loves the electric bikes, and I feel like this bike will fit him perfect. Like, it got commuter tires, it can go all over, it still goes fast, and it's just a strong dialed bike. So yeah, if you guys are interested, hit the link in the description down below. I freaking love you. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. Till next time, peace.